Hello everyone. So this is a multivitamin juice loaded with so many nutrients I want to share with you today to nourish your system with the right nutrients to always stay healthy.
So yummy, and without wasting much of your time, I'll take you now and show you how to come up with yours yourself at home to nourish your system with all those nutrients for you to always stay healthy and in shape as well. So let's quickly get into it. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video, and feel free to share the video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. So let's get into it.
Voila. So in order to come up with our multivitamin juice, the first ingredient I'll be using will be pears. So I'll be using one pear for today. Pears are loaded with so many nutrients like folate, vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid to nourish your system with enough vitamin C to give you that healthy glow from the inside, folate to help with your blood. Like this is so nourishing with a lot of many other vitamins and minerals you need for the healthy proper functioning of your system and organs. So I'll be using just one of these. Depending on how many people you have at home, you can use two. So, or you can substitute with pineapple if you don't have this, because this is a very rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants to fight free radical damage causing dullness on the skin for a much more beautiful and healthy skin from the inside. So this is one grape. I'll be using two apples. Apples too are loaded with a little bit of all the vitamins and minerals your system needs. That is why doctors always say an apple a day will take you away from them, because it has a little bit of all the vitamins and minerals your system needs. So it is kind of like a multivitamin kind of fruit. So you want to wash thoroughly and slice into some good sizes. I'll be using two apples. I'm using the red and the green. If you have just the green apple, that is fine. The red apple has a lot of antioxidants, while the green apple has a lot of more medicinal benefits as well. So you want to use any of them still works. So I'll you want to slice two apples like you saw me, and this is it. So these are the first ingredients, and I'll be adding some citrus fruits in here. We need a lot of vitamin C in here because vitamin C is a very rich source of antioxidant to fight free radical damage, boost the immunity as well, so you can stay healthy and combat diseases without easily falling or being prone to sicknesses. So I'll be using two oranges. You want to get your oranges washed thoroughly, and what you need here is the juice from the orange. So you want to watch the procedure to the end to see how I come up with the juice, because so you want to extract vitamin C is very good for your immunity and for the healthy glow of your skin. Plus it is a very powerful antioxidant you need for that healthy glow from the inside. So yeah, these are two oranges. I'll be adding one more vitamin C fruit just to make it kind of a cocktail, and that is grapefruit I'll be adding in here. But never mind, if you don't have grapefruit, that is fine. You can just stick with the orange. You can use two oranges, that is fine. But I want it to be like kind of a fruit cocktail. So which makes it a very powerful multivitamin juice. So this is my one grapefruit. You squeeze out the juice. It is a very rich source of vitamin C as well, with good acids to flush out bad acids from the system so you can stay healthy as well. So what I want to do now is to blend my apples and the pear. So as I mentioned earlier, if you don't have a pear, you can go for pineapple. Pineapples are just as good as pears. So I want to add in like 3 cups of water in there to blend, because I'm trying to come up with a juice and not a smoothie. So you want to add in 3 cups of water. You blend, 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 blend to get a very smooth consistency. That is when you now need to add the juice from the orange and grapefruit. So just watch what I do anyway so you don't make a mistake. You want to blend this first so you don't have a lot of water in there. You want to blend before you now add in your juice so it is concentrated as well. So this is kind of mixing. You're just mixing now. So you just blend, 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 blend to achieve a very smooth juice kind of. Yeah, so this is it. You want to get your sieve and separate the juice and the fiber. You can actually, you don't need to throw the fiber. You can add in one banana to the fiber, and that will be a smoothie you can have for breakfast. So if you're doing this in the morning, you can just add one banana to the fiber, and that is your breakfast. And you can have your juice any time of the day to nourish your system with all those nutrients you need to boost your immunity, glow, give you that healthy glow from the inside, nourish your system so you can always stay healthy with proper organs. So this is it. So yummy. You want to transfer in your jar, you can store in your refrigerator and pour some in your cup and drink immediately, whatever. But make sure you consume this in the space of 3 days so it doesn't get bad. For me, I usually just do this, and before the day runs to an end, I share with my husband, my family, friends. So yeah, I hope someone finds this very helpful because it is very important to nourish our systems with the right nutrients we need to boost our immunity, most importantly, cleanse our organs so we can always stay healthy, most especially your liver, your kidneys. Nourishing your system with the right nutrients reflects outerly as well. You have that healthy glow to your skin plus a healthy life. So this is one of my go-to recipes, very yummy, I wanted to share with you today. I hope someone finds this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy, most importantly. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.